Namaste friends, thanks for checking out our channel. Today we are making vegan Badusha or Balushahi. This is another one of those dishes that I always wanted to make vegan. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using. 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup shortening. This is the brand I'm using. Half cup vegan cashew yogurt. I'm using this one. 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking soda, 3 teaspoons powdered cane sugar, 3 cardamoms pounded to a fine powder, a pinch of saffron dissolved in warm water. Take a mixing bowl large enough to add and mix all the ingredients. Here's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons powdered cane sugar, half a cup of shortening, half a cup of yogurt. I have been massaging the dough for about 10 minutes to make it smooth. Cover the dough with a moist muslin towel and allow it to rest for about half an hour. It's been about half an hour. Let's actually start shaping the dough into badushas. Divide the dough into equal lemon-sized ball portions.
So here's how you shape it. You want to flatten it slightly and then make a thumb-sized impression in the center. And then you're going to pinch off the edge and fold it back over. And hold on to this edge while pinching the next edge. And just repeat that all around the dough.
Looks like the oil's hot. Adding the badushas for frying. Since the badushas are thick, you have to keep the flame at a low level and fry the badushas for some time until they are completely cooked. Here's how the badushas look after frying. Let's make the sugar syrup for the badusha. For 1.5 cups of water, I'm adding about 2.5 cups of sugar to make the sugar syrup. Stir continuously on a low flame until the sugar dissolves completely. If you enjoy watching our content, please subscribe to our channel. Looks like the sugar has dissolved. Let's add the powdered cardamom and the saffron dissolved in water. Keep stirring continuously until the sugar syrup attains a one-string consistency. Wait until the sugar syrup achieves this one-string consistency. At this point, you can turn off the stove and add the badushas into the warm sugar syrup. We have put the badushas into the sugar syrup. Let it soak for several hours. The badushas have been soaked in the sugar syrup for about 6 hours, and they have soaked in the syrup perfectly. If you enjoy watching our content, please comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali.